Welcome back to our channel TechWave. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of the latest spy camera technology. From tiny hidden devices to high-definition recording capabilities, we have it all covered. So, let's get started. Our first gadget today is the UltraLens X9, a tiny camera with big capabilities. It boasts a minuscule size, making it almost impossible to detect. The X9 captures high-definition video and has an impressive night vision feature. It's perfect for undercover operations or discreet surveillance. Next up, we have the SpectraScope 360. This unique camera is equipped with a rotating lens that can capture a 360-degree view of its surroundings. It's ideal for monitoring large areas or tracking multiple targets simultaneously. The SpectraScope 360 is a game-changer when it comes to situational awareness. Now, let's talk about the SpyMaster PenCam. It's not just a pen, it's a covert camera. With a sleek design and a functioning pen, it can discreetly record video and audio. The SpyMaster PenCam is perfect for journalists, private investigators, or anyone who needs to capture crucial moments on the go. Moving on, we have the NightHawk Goggles. These aren't your average night vision goggles. The NightHawk Goggles come with an integrated camera system that lets you record your surroundings while maintaining full visibility in the dark. They're excellent for nighttime operations or exploring uncharted territories. Our final spy camera technology today is the StealthCam Drone. This cutting-edge drone is equipped with a built-in camera that captures crystal-clear images and videos from the sky. It's perfect for aerial surveillance or obtaining valuable intelligence from a safe distance. Well, that concludes our showcase of the latest spy camera technology. Remember, these devices are intended for legal and ethical purposes only. Always respect privacy laws and use them responsibly. If you enjoyed this episode and want to stay up to date with the latest spy gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite spy camera technology or any questions you may have. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay stealthy, my friends.